Hey guys, I'm with Swati Bargar, CEO of Cash Karo. So she will share his journey that how did she get started in cashkarobusiness.com. So Swati, please introduce yourself. I will handle the mic.
Okay, thanks for the interview. So my name is Swati Bhargav. I'm the co-founder of cashkaro.com. So we are India's largest cashback and coupons website, and we work with about 800 top retailers like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Paytm, you name it, and we work with them. And the USP is that if you visit, say, a site like Jabong from Cashkaro and buy, you get extra cash back from our side on your order. So you get extra 10%, 15% cash back on your order. It collects in your Cashkaro account and it can be paid to your bank account as real cash.
So how Cashkaro is different from its competitors like GoPaisa, Coupon Dunia? So please explain it to my readers.
So when you compare Cashkaro.com to any other coupon website like Coupon Dunia, Coupon Nation, or
GoPaisa and all these competitors.
So the thing is that on Cashkaro.com we not only give cash back on anything that you buy, we also have all the latest coupons. We also compare prices across different products. So we have a product discovery section where across 8 million products you can see what are the prices on different sites and what is the cashback and coupons available on each of them. So Cashkaro.com is the place to start your e-com journey where you can actually get the most savings possible. So why we are different from others is that most of them do one or the other. Some people do only coupons, some people do only cashback. We do coupons, cashback, price comparison, product discovery, everything.
So it's all in one package right now. Right?
It is, yes.
It's all in one package. So how did you get started in your journey, your entrepreneurship? Did your family supported your journey that you want to be an entrepreneur? Because in India it's very tough to be an entrepreneur.
Yeah, I mean, I think we have to. Rohan, my husband, we run the business together, and Cashkaro was actually Rohan's idea. So we started our UK business first, called Pouring Pounds, which was the cashback business we started in 2011. Before that, I was working at Goldman Sachs. I did investment banking for 5 years and studied at the London School of Economics before that. So it was a very different field, very different from everything we've ever done. But we liked cashback as an idea because it's simple, it's so easy to save money, and everyone likes getting that extra deal. So we started, and in 2 years we expanded to India. So in 2013 we actually launched here. So the journey has been great, and our parents and family have been very supportive because we hardly show up for any family thing. So it's good that they've still been there for us. So we definitely couldn't have done anything without them.
That's great. So how you're promoting your brand Cashkaro in social media? Why do you think that social media is very important for your brand?
I personally am a big believer in social media. I'm very active in social media myself as well. You can connect with me on Twitter at Swats26, and I like it because it enables me to connect with all stakeholders in one place. I am also connected with Cashkaro customers. I get their feedback, right from them. I'm also connected to press and journalists and other strategic partners of the business, and also with retailers. So it's for us, social media is important because it is the one place where conversations are actually happening, and it enables people to also realize the value that Cashkaro can add when we can tell them about the savings when they are actually planning to do something. So it matches the real-time intent of the shopper with a conversation, which to us that is what leads to conversion on the site.
Okay, so this is helping you in building your brand presence. Anything else apart from your social media you are doing for your brand building right now? Any TV interviews and media news?
We do a lot for brand building. We are mainly a digital brand, so we do extensive SEM, SEO, email marketing, affiliate marketing for us as well, and we do a lot of activities which are engagement around bloggers, around students, around the shopping community, social media as well. And now we are looking to do some ATL campaigns as well.
So how do you think that bloggers can promote, as a blogger like me, so how they can promote Cashkaro and can make some good affiliate commission? So do you want to introduce my bloggers that promote Cashkaro and you will get some kind of incentive?
There are a couple of things that we can do. Firstly, Cashkaro has a great referral program.
Great. That's great.
So anything that you once you join Cashkaro under the refer and earn section, you can get your referral link, which will have your referral ID in it. So as long as anyone joins Cashkaro via your link, you always get 10% of the cashback that they earn from us for life. So it's a lifetime referral. It's not just a one-time thing. And also, if you want to promote other retailers also that you may not have the affiliate, you might not be an affiliate of, say, XYZ website, or you may not join a network, you can actually get their links from Cashkaro as well. So you can promote any brand that we have, and we will arrange a commission structure with you where you can get links from us for that as well.
So are you doing any kind of blogger outreach campaigns right now to
We
make?
are going to do soon, yes.
So, because I should
We'll
be
get in touch with you then when we do that.
I should be the first blogger that you should be in touch as a blogging. right now.
Absolutely, we
So
will do
do you
that.
think that bloggers can help you to reach a good brand building in terms of ROI?
Yeah, absolutely. Because I think a lot of bloggers, in their own way, they are influencers, right? And
Yeah.
this is the generation of conversion via conversation, and I think that is where bloggers have a very good hand on things, and they add a lot of value because people who are listening to you are looking to you for your genuine opinion,
they're following
that's why
us
absolutely, if any blogger hasn't tried Cashkaro, we will ourselves, make sure that we give you a credit so that you can actually try Cashkaro and then tell your experience to your followers. I'm sure it'll be good. So that's why we don't mind, giving a gift from our side to bloggers just to make them try Cashkaro. Yeah. So get in touch with our team. We can always arrange any kind of trials.
Okay. So what are the 3 suggestions for the newbie entrepreneurs who are building to build the careers in entrepreneurship?
Well, the biggest suggestion obviously is that think through your idea and then implement, because it is a lot of work. It is more work than you ever think or I ever thought it would be. But once you start on a journey, it's you have to make it a success. So think through your idea, make your business plans, do something that you are passionate about, because if not, then the amount of work that's going to come, you won't be able to sail it through. And I think it's important to be well networked. There are a lot of people who kind of start businesses, but they don't do any marketing, they don't go to any events, they don't meet anyone.
So networking is the key to success.
Networking is important for success. And being active on social media has helped us in that. It's helped us make a lot of partnerships as well. So just be ready to implement and go do what you believe in.
So any Indian bloggers you are following right now? Don't say my competitor's name, please. Just kidding. Yeah. So,
Well, I mean, we've spoken with you before as well,
yeah.
but there are a lot of good bloggers in the Indian ecosystem.
So you do follow Indian bloggers, and do you think that bloggers can help you? Bloggers are the best way to reach a brand.
I mean, now we are actually making a special engagement program for bloggers because we recognize the value that they add.
So any kind of events like Indian Affiliate Summit you are planning to do for specifically for bloggers? Do you have any plans?
We do have plans around that. I'll get in touch with you when it's finalized.
Okay, so you have, so how is that? So one last question: that how is the experience at India Affiliate Summit? How is it
I
going?
think it's been great. It was about time that we recognize that affiliate marketing is adding a lot of value to the Indian e-commerce ecosystem, and do something which recognizes and crystallizes that value into an event, brings all the key stakeholders together. I think IMI is great at doing that, and
IMI, yeah.
I thank the whole ecosystem that has made this event possible.
So this ecosystem is thing. This is the first India's official affiliate summit. I think that is going huge. 1600.
Another India's first is happening next Tuesday. Cashkaro is launching the Great Online Cashback Festival, which is for the first time that
just
we're
like
launching.
Flipkart, this big billion day or.
In fact, the good thing is that in our GOCF, you will get cashback on top of all the other deals which are running on Amazon, on Flipkart, on Paytm, because those brands we promote anyway, right? So on top of that, we will give you cashback from our side. So if you shop on the same sites, but if you visit via Cashkaro and shop, you can get extra cashback on everything you buy during the next festive season that is coming up. It's going to be the biggest e-commerce sales that India has ever seen. So we are all geared up for that.
So you're ready for this Cashkaro biggest event, right?
Absolutely.
So I hope Swati you enjoyed this interview, and thanks for sharing
Thank
your
you so
knowledge to my
much.
readers. Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.